Hi guys, welcome to California Vlog Week 3. This week, all the footage I got was a little bit from one night this week when we ordered out food, Alan was being a weirdo, and then we went to the beach. And that's where the rest of the footage is from. So, here's the vlog. Hi guys, I'm literally sitting here waiting for a delivery driver right now because we just ordered food and I'm hungry and everybody's busy, so I'm just sitting at the window waiting for our food because that's the kind of person I am. You know, this is quality content, just waiting for the delivery driver. I always want my hot wings. All I want is my wings. Is that too much to ask for? Hi, Shadow. I'm Binksy. Hi. Hi. Look. Hey. Ooh, look. Yep. Yeah. It's your toy. We so extra that we're going in and out at 10:30 in the morning because McDonald's wouldn't give us nuggets because they weren't ready for lunch yet.
Kind of got frustrated. They're literally gonna start lunch in less than 20 minutes, but
they're like, sorry, we're not ready for lunch yet. Well, no.
Well, I'm not waiting 20 minutes for your shitty nugs.
I'm going to In-N-Out.
But In-N-Out has too many fucking basic white people in it.
Excuse me.
If the shoe fits.
That's offensive to my people as a basic white person. I'm offended.
Always offended.
This line is too long.
Trash can.
I'm a recycling bin.
Not the last couple days you have.
Shh. People of the internet don't need to know that. You see, it says moo mat, which is a carpet for cows. We call cowskin rugs moo mats now, because I'm hilarious, and that was my joke, and I actually made myself cry. I'm an idiot. Yeah. That was rude. We are surrounded by birds because some idiots threw a sandwich at the seagulls. There's so many birds. It's like a horror film. They're above me and I don't like it. Jesus. This is stupid. I almost got my head taken off by a bird because some people that sat next to us decided to feed it a sandwich. I thought everybody knew that you're not supposed to feed birds at the beach. Like, come on, guys.
I want to be the first to be there.
They're still flocking in this area. We might need to move. Puppy. It does look like Scooby. It's brown has a blue color like Scooby.
I know. Just everything she touches, she wants. Fine. She's like, what? You back?
I know it's bigger than me. It's a seaweed monster.
Ow!
Holy crap! Can I be the Little Mermaid? Can I stand on it and sing?
Holy shit, that got high.
There's a hole. It was, is that a jellyfish or a condom? There might have been a condom. It looked like a ring of latex in the water. That's gross. That's gross.
So are all these children who are still in the water.
It's another giant mound of seaweed. Ew.
Spawns of Satan.
Look it, we're in like a cove now. Made out of seaweed. I think all the beautiful people just live here. Birds! I found out where all the birds went.
Fuck these birds.
Birds! One of you swooped my head earlier. I got a bone to pick with you. We gonna fight. We're about to go into a scary tunnel. Woo! Yeah. I just got him yelling at his head.
I had to make sure before I said it was like a fat or not.
Okay. This is kind of creepy. Oh, okay. Pretty sure I caught your drift. I'm not gonna ask any questions, because I don't want to know. They doing a photo shoot? If I look cuter, I'd do one. But sadly, I do not. I'm not cute enough for an under the dock photo shoot. I thought you were going to yell at me for a second. So you yell at me in public.
I'm just gonna watch it.
It's creepy in here.
Put that booty on that Gucci belt. Copyright. Got ice cream.
I had a good time even though I was in a pissy mood at first.
I got ice cream. I'm okay. When in doubt, feed them ice cream. That's what you learn. Message of the day is if your girl is busy, you get ice cream.
Or on Shark Week. Just nothing chocolate can't fix. Mint and chip.
Mint chip.
Alright guys, I hope you liked that vlog for week 3. Like I said, I'm going to try and do this every week. I'm going to try and keep you guys updated as much as I can onto what's happening to me in California. Alright, if you like this, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more videos, then you can comment what else you would like me to do. So I'm going to go. See you guys in the next one.